Hi everybody, my name is Owen Fox. Today is a very special day for me. After a huge amount of work, my new book is available on Amazon as ebook and as paperback in the next 24 hours to 48 hours. It's been a huge long time coming. The greatest challenges of my life and the most rewarding challenges and lessons, full of growth and lessons. So listen, my book Held and Free, A Soulful Guide to Healing, Sacred Love and Emotional Maturity is finally out. So I'll leave the link in the description. Um, it's for anyone who's struggling within themselves emotionally from trauma, who feels alone in a relationship, who feels confused or lost or unsure about what's happening, or like why are you stuck in endless loops of fighting or patterns of disconnection or reactivity. I've made all of these mistakes myself 1,000 times over. We used to have a very feeling of heaviness and disconnection and stuck in patterns between me and my wife. I'm more coming from an anxious attachment wound background and and she's coming from a disorganized, fearful avoidant attachment. If you're familiar with that, we have 3 kids. We went from struggling and break up many times and almost divorcing to now having a lovely home family life here in Bali. It wasn't easy. It was the hardest thing I've ever done, but it was the most richest and beautiful and most rewarding. I'm very grateful. We both honestly thought it was over for sure numerous times, and there's nothing more important to my heart than like helping people, and for me in my life to create a safe home environment for our kids and each other. So it's my pleasure and joy to finally reveal, release, and share this book with you. I've poured my heart and soul into it. It's taken a long time with very extended formatting and like professional layout and formatting for the paper book and the ebook on Kindle and Amazon, and available on my website, maybe today or tomorrow as well on my website. But for now, it's on Amazon. And if you could please, if you do happen to read it or buy it, please leave a review, and I'd love it and appreciate that with all my heart, and it would help others to maybe struggling and in a relationship. And it's not only for people who are in a relationship, it's about your relationship with yourself if you're single or in between relationships or gone through a breakup. It really truly help you recollect and gather yourself to heal and bring back the pieces of your heart and yourself and your inner child, so you can live the life that you deserve, because you're worth it, you're beautiful, you're special, and you're unique. And everyone is tender, even the people who hurt us, who trigger us, who we may need to set up healthy boundaries to block. They're good at heart. We're all deserving of the beauty and the best of life, but we do have to claim it. We have to walk through the emotions one step at a time, one day at a time, one lesson at a time, one page of life. It's not easy. Nobody said it was easy, but the things that are worth it are often take some effort and some challenge. So yeah, I really hope this book helps you, touches your heart, and helps you in your life, and it helps you with your own emotional healing from past trauma and your relationship with your inner child, etc. From healing from your attachment wounds and your reactive automatic survival responses and nervous system regulation. It's all covered. There's 37 chapters. It's a beautiful read. I personally love it, and I will be making an audiobook soon as well. And it really is a pleasure and a joy to finally get this out there, because at stages I thought I was never gonna finish and never gonna be technically done also. I'm feeling very happy today, but it's still sinking in. And a friend of mine mentioned I should celebrate, and I'm like, okay, but I'm going to go to a festival with my kids, my family, my wife, you know. So, and I'm not even going to probably eat anything special. If I do, it'll just be a salad, a tasty salad probably. But yeah, nothing overly dramatic or fireworks in terms of my celebration going on, you know. But listen, if I've known you throughout the years as a friend, a foe, only kidding, a friend or someone who, whoever's watching this now, I've lost touch with, or, a social media person or friend, or anyone who's been kind or who bumped into me and said to tell them when my book's available, I wish you all the very best. No hard feelings, and if you've been kind and supportive and we've, no conflict, etc., very grateful for your love and support and promotion or comments of me throughout the years. maybe we've lost touch and that's the algorithm, or who knows, maybe just life steering us in slightly different paths for a while. That's okay and that's normal. So my book will help you to normalize your emotions and how to cope with them, and many tips, tools and practices truly to help you truly shift and transform your life and your patterns. Long lasting, deep and rooted and grounded success, stability, and clarity, mentally, emotionally, and who knows? Maybe I'll bring out another book about physical in the future. But this has been a huge work, so I'm going to leave. I'm not going to think about another book right now. But thanks for watching till the end, and feel welcome to share this or subscribe, leave a comment, share it with somebody who might benefit. Anything you wish and your heart inspires. And thank you for all the love and support again. And I wish you a beautiful day. Okay, to you and your kids or your family as well.